Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. To change a mixed number to an improper fraction, first, multiply the whole number with the denominator. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then, add this product with the numerator. So, 6 plus 2 equals 8. That's going to be our numerator, 8. Then, copy the denominator here, 3. So, the answer is 8/3. Another example, 3 3/4. Change this to improper fraction. First, multiply the whole number with the denominator. We have 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then, add this product with the numerator, 3. So, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. That's going to be our numerator, 15. Then, copy the denominator, 4. So, the answer is 15/4. Another example, 5 3/7. Let us change this mixed number to improper fraction. First, multiply the whole number with the denominator. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. Next, add this product with the numerator, 3. 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. That's going to be our numerator, 38. Then, copy the denominator, 7. So, the answer is 38/7. Another, 4 1/5. First, multiply the whole number with the denominator. 4 times 5 equals 20. Add this product with the numerator, 1. So, 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. That's going to be our numerator, 21. Copy the denominator, 5 here. So, the answer is 21/5. Another, 12 5/6. First, multiply the whole number with the denominator. 12 times 6 equals 72. Then, add this product with the numerator, 5. 72 plus 5 equals 77. Then, copy the denominator, 6. So, the answer is 77/6. Quiz time, let's answer this. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 1 1/2. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 3/2. 2 and 1/4. Times up, the answer is 9/4. Another 4 and 2/5. Times up, the answer is 22/5. 5 and 3/4. Times up, the answer is 23/4. Another 7 and 2/3. Times up, the answer is 23/3. 6 and 3/7. Times up, the answer is 45/7. 8 and 4/5. Times up, the answer is 44/5. 11 and 5/8. Times up, the answer is 93/8. 10 and 2/9. Times up, the answer is 92/9. 9 and 2/7. Times up, the answer is 65/7. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thanks for watching.